Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Franklin County in southeastern Indiana, northeastern Ripley County in southeastern Indiana, northern Dearborn County in southeastern Indiana, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Oldenburg, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Batesville, Brookville, Bright, Hidden Valley, Oldenburg, Logan, Sunland, Metamora, St. Leon, West Harrison, Cedar Grove, Mount Carmel, Huntersville, Hamburg, Pentown, Interstate 74 at U.S. Route 52, Rockdale, Sharptown, Peppertown, and St. Peter. This includes Interstate 74 in Indiana between mile markers 145 and 170.